You want to introduce? You want to introduce? No, probably you have to. Will first. Yes. Check. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the Pentecost Festival in St. James. Whoops. Ladies and gentlemen, if we can take a moment, just stay in place. We'd like to introduce one of our choir members for the playing of our national anthem, Mr. Will Kinsella.
Please rise and leave your text.